Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our W28 Pro smartwatch, and this time we are going to check on the different menus and features of the wearable. The first video, we do have the unboxing and checking of its specifications. This time we are going to check on the features and menus of the W28 smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, we have here the W28. Okay, as you can see here, we do have a beautiful, okay, uh, watch face. Okay, let's check. Okay, so if you want to cycle through the different watch faces, just use this crown button. As you can see, so for every turn, okay, it changes the watch face. I like this one. Okay, we do have an animated watch face here. Okay, can we use our screen to change? Okay, long press. Okay, how about side? Okay, now long press to change, then set. Okay, on top we have, okay, the menus. Okay, on the other side we do have the split screen. Okay, okay, on the right side we do have a different functions of the wearable. You can also have an option. Okay, you can also add a widgets. Okay, so let's try sports. Okay, so let's add this one, sleep. Okay, so we do have the heart rate. Let's check. Okay, so this one add. Okay, I thought you have to remove it. It's negative. We do have a calculator. We have the sports calculator. I remove the music. Okay, so we do have the sports here. Weather. Okay, so on the bottom part, let's see. I guess it's the notification. Okay, okay, let's adjust the screen here. Too much. Okay, and set. And for the settings on top, we have, as you can see here, the QR code, the battery, shortcut to settings, Bluetooth connectivity here. I think the sleep or alarm, and the brightness. Okay, on the bottom part again, so the notification. So similar setup to other Series 8 smartwatches. If you want to check on the menu, just let's see, tap, no, press. Okay, that's it. So just press on the crown button. So we do have a honeycomb or bubble type. Okay, let's check if we can change the menu here. Okay, we have at least how many menus? 8. I hope they change the UI here, okay, to somewhat like an icon, so we can see right away if we are using a if what type of menu we are going to use or select. As you can see here, I'm looking for the list type. Okay, so we have the list type here, so we can see the different functions. Okay, as you can see, we do have the label. So this is the automatic activity tracking. Okay, so yeah, I think it calculates for the steps, calories here, as well as the distance. Okay, going back, we do have the sleep monitoring. We do have the heart rate. Okay, let's check if we do have a, okay, we do have an ECG. We do have a blood pressure. I'm just confused with the ECG, whether it will work or not. As you can see, we don't have any metal here. Okay, I don't know if what sensor is the smartwatch using, but usually the ECG needs a skin contact. Okay, for its, I think, a metal sensor. We do have a blood pressure. Okay, we do have a blood oxygen. So the same UI for the heart rate, blood oxygen, and blood pressure. You do have an activity or sports monitoring. Let's check. You do have running, walking, running, climbing, basketball, football, badminton, ping pong, tennis, rope skipping, riding, weightlifting, yoga, music control, camera control, weather, notification function. I think you have an option to read messages here. We have a phone, dial pad, that is for the Bluetooth call. We do have a voice control, tap speech, ball ask again. So I think this thing works with Siri. Usually Series 8 smartwatch or Series 7 do have a voice support, a voice command support, but it only works with a Siri. Okay, we do have a music control, camera control, and we do have an alarm, breathing guide. We do have a calculator, very useful function. Okay, a lot of smartwatch fans are choosing a wearable with a calculator, with the built-in calculator. Very handy feature. We do have a timer, stopwatch. Let's check. We have my card. Okay, so it uses WeChat, Facebook. Okay, receipt code, find phone. We also have a flashlight. Okay, very useful function also. Do have the theme. Okay, the different menus. We have the message here, a massage, not message. This is very, I don't see this feature as a very useful function. Just a menu that is taking up the space of your smartwatch. Okay, just a vibration, I think. Let me check. See, very useless. Female period, so it tracks the physiological function of women. For the settings, we do have the styles, languages, brightness, screen time. Let's adjust. Okay, let's make it 30 seconds up to 1 minute here. Okay, so different ringtone for calls, message, as well as alarm you can set. Okay, do not disturb mode, security, pin lock, time settings, bedside lamp mode. So this one will works if you charge your wearable. Okay, power saving, do have the information about your smartwatch, restore factory, and power off. So that's all. Okay, we do have a different list or different functions available in the smartwatch. Let's pick another menu here. We do have the 1 2, let's see number 3. Okay, so that's number 3. This is also much better compared to the bubble type. We do have number 4. Okay, we do have number 5. Okay, so almost the same. 6. Okay, this one is also okay. We do have 7. Okay, grid type. I'm also a fan of this one. Okay, but it's limited, I think. I don't see the menu option here. Okay, then the last but not the least, we do have style number 8. Okay, it's almost the same to the grid style, but in just different layout. Okay, so that's it for the different menus and functions of the smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the wearable, okay, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.